Hello everyone! Iyan, tumatanggap po tayo ng maagang booking. Yan, for those, ang mga call center, panggabi, tumatanggap po tayo ng umagang booking. Yan, patuloy ho natin piniflex yung ating massage home service within Las Piñas. Yan, Reg Massage Home Service within Las Piñas po. Yan, tumatanggap po tayo ng early booking. Just texting me, chatting me in my account, my Facebook account, Regina Capillan, and Reg Massage Home Service. Yung ating voice over kasi nahinto man po ng kusa tong aking voice over. I don't know why. Yan guys, humihinto ng kusa guys habang sasalita guys, kaya eto, hindi ko alam kung paano to humihinto-hinto. Kaya ayan guys, si Reg Massage Home Service within Las Piñas po tayo guys. Ayan, ready to accept booking every day. Text me early so that I accommodate you. Ayan, within Las Piñas lang po tayo guys. Kasi medyo malayo na po pag sa ibang, mag-isa lang po kasi ang iyong lingkod na nagmamassage, wala po tayong kasama.